What's up friends, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to share your Tango profile on WhatsApp. All you have to do guys is simply go ahead and click your profile in the upper left hand side, and here you will find your profile name at the top. Simple tap on that. Here you will find an arrow icon at the top right hand side of your screen. You simply want to go ahead and tap on that. That means share, and here you'll see that it pops up a URL, or even it will show the WhatsApp application if you have WhatsApp installed on your phone. Now you can do whichever. You can simply copy the link if you so desire, and it will copy the link and you can open up WhatsApp and share that with a specific person. Or you can simply go back there and just simply tap on WhatsApp. It's going to open up WhatsApp for you, find all of those persons here in your WhatsApp, and you can just simply select a particular person. Let's say I want to select this person here, and I'm going to simply click the send button on the lower right hand side of my screen, and it's going to go ahead and send that to the person. As you can see, it open up WhatsApp, and I just need to click on send, and it's going to send this my profile of my Tango to that person within WhatsApp. And that's all that you have to do, guys. Very easy and very simple.